Hello everybody! If you're watching this video, you're probably a new college student or looking for some study tips. Today, I am going to show you how to access, save, and print PDFs on Academic Search Complete. First, go to your university's library website. Each campus has a different format, so you might have to look around your university's library page to follow this first step. You need to open the Databases tab. On the UNT library page, it is located right here. Then, click on the search bar. On mine, Academic Search Complete pops up immediately, so I don't need to type in my search, but you may have to. If indicated, sign in using your university login information. You can search for any topic of your choosing using the search tool. I preloaded a search using the Advanced Search tool. After filling in my query, I'm going to click Search. I'll just click on the first available option. I like to right-click Open in New tab, so I can look for many documents without losing any pages. On the right-hand side of the document page, you should see a list of tools. I personally do not like any of these because they can be quite complicated and are often flawed. I will show you my preferred method. Left-click on PDF Full Text. Do not right-click this and open a new tab because you will get an error message. So after left-clicking, on the upper right-hand corner, you will see 4 symbols: a magnifying glass to search, a printer to print, a floppy disk to save, and a gear to view settings. We are only interested in the printer and save button. You can save a file as a PDF in 2 ways. The more direct way is to click the Save button. Your computer will automatically open your Documents folder to the last location you saved a file. Type in a name for the document. If you need to, you can change the file location where your PDF will be saved. Most computers default to the Downloads folder. I have mine open to a sample folder. Click Save, and this will save the entire document to your folder. Alternatively, you may print your document or save it as a PDF on your computer using the Printer tool. Click on the Printer tool. On the left-hand side, you will see a drop-down menu that lets you select which printer you would like to print the document on. I do not currently have a printer saved, so mine defaults to save as PDF. Yours may be different. You can click on the menu to find the option that best suits you. You can also customize which pages will be saved or printed. You can select all, odd pages only, even pages only, or type in a custom range. This is handy for longer documents when you only want to save a few pages. To finish, click Print if printing, or Save if saving as a PDF. Finally, after saving your document, you may want to cite your paper. To do this, you can click the Citation button over on the corner to quickly copy a citation of your preferred format. However, please be careful because the citations usually need editing. Well, after that tutorial, you should be able to effectively access, save, and print PDFs from Academic Search Complete for all your study needs.